is a series of videos on how to use Python. Each video is standalone. You don't need to have watched the first video or taken a file from the first video to watch the second. You just do each individual one. The first video today is going to teach you how to set up Python and do a simple print statement. First thing is, if you've got a Mac and you go into applications, you can go down to Python and see if you actually have Python on your machine. A lot of Macs already have it installed. If not, go onto Safari, look up python.org in Google and go to the download section and download the latest version. The latest version is 3.6.4. There is an old version, 2.7, but we don't use that. At school we use 3.6. So that's what you need to download. Once you've got it download, put it into your applications and we can start going. Now we're going to use the idle section, so you click on idle and you open idle. A lot of the students at school use PyCharm, that's fine as well, but we're going to use idle for these videos. So once you open idle, this is what it looks like, and you can see we're using 3.6.2. To create a new file, you click File, New, and here's your new file. Now you've got to remember to save your file each time, so I do that first, File, Save As, and we're going to do this one, we're going to call this one print.py, and the .py means it's a Python file. We're going to save it to the desktop and we're just going to go save. Now the very first thing we want to do is we want to print something over this side in the idle shell. So we write a print statement, print brackets, inverted commas, let's write SLS Milan, close inverted commas, close brackets. That's the name of the website that we're working on, and I hit Command S to save, and then F5, or I go up in here and hit run. When I run it, you can see simple SLS Milan has come up on the screen. That's how you do a simple print statement. End of first video.